So we talked about prevention and we talked about being proactive, but what if you do get pests in? Well, there's different types of treatments for the pest. So one, you can, if it's insects, you can do residual treatments. Residual treatments are basically pesticides that's going to last longer. They're there to be a barrier and to help manage pests for an extended period of time. Non-residual treatments, these are pesticides that you can apply that breaks down very quickly. They'll do their job, break down, and go away. You can even include organic treatments in that. Materials that's designed from organic materials, so you can use that in around your property. Typically, that'll break down pretty quick, but those are very effective as well. Rodenticide controls rodents, and that's usually in the form of a bait. The bait they can eat, against food, and then they can take that down. You can have bait stations around the outside of your houses, your barns. Take great care when you place them out. Traps, there's traps for flies, whether it's filth flies, there's traps for horse flies, for stable flies. There's all sorts of traps out there. There's traps for rodents. One key thing to remember is also application timing. When is the best time to apply this material? Am I applying the material too early and it's breaking down before the pest even gets started? Or am I applying it too late? Maybe the flies have already started and I've just started applying in June and July, and the flies have been around since March. So think about the timing of when these pests are starting to come about. So learn their life cycle. And again, you can communicate with other farmers or extension offices or Department of Agriculture in your state. Insect growth regulators, IGRs. These are very good because they help slow down or prevent a pest from properly developing. So they may not be able to become a reproducing adult insect. You can also think about on-off treatments for animals. It could be treatments that can be applied to animals or their surroundings to help manage the pest. But either way, anything that you do here, one, you want to read the label, and definitely any on-animal applications, I strongly suggest you communicate with your veterinarian. Get their opinions, get their thoughts on treatments.